Step 1. Make sure that the connections that you've made are correct. Connect SCL to D1 and SDA to D2 of NodeMCU or similar device. Step 2. Click on Sketch and Manage Libraries. Once the library manager is done loading, you need to install two libraries. Type in Adafruit SSD1306 in the search bar and install the highlighted library. The second library that you need is Adafruit GFX. Type in the same and install it. Once these two libraries are installed, go to File, Examples and scroll down to Adafruit SSD1306 and select the appropriate OLED program. Go to the reset define line and change the number 4 to -1. Step 3. Download the code given in the description below. Load it into the NodeMCU. Once the code is installed, open Serial Monitor and make sure the baud rate is set to the correct one. Check for the address. Here it is 0x3C. Copy this value and go back to the code and replace 0x3D with the copied value. Upload this code into the NodeMCU. This should have solved your problem. If this was helpful in any way, please like and subscribe.